Hi everyone, this is Mai. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Today I will be showing you how I make cream cheese fried wonton. These appetizers are good for any occasion. Let's get started. I fold the wonton into a butterfly shape. This way it's more crispy. Once it's cooked, it became a beautiful butterfly and beautiful color. Look at these beautiful, amazing golden brown color. You can enjoy these with sweet chili sauce or sweet and sour sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more video. See you in the next video.
Oh wow.